students, welcome in Advait Education channel. Today we are going to solve practice set 5.3 expand. So let us start. First question 2m minus 5 bracket cube. Here we can use a minus b bracket cube formula. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Here a means 2m. Just for your understanding, a means what? 2m and b means 5. What is formula? A cube. A means what? 2m. 2m cube minus 3 a square b means 2m square into 5 plus 3 a b square. A means what? 2m. B means 5 square minus b cube means 5 cube. 2m cube. 2 cube is 8 m cube minus 3. 2 square is 4. 2 square 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. See here 2 square. 2 square means 4 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. Their multiplication is 60 and m square. 60 m square plus 5 square 25. 25 multiply by 2 50. 50 multiply by 3 150 m. 150 m minus 5 cube is 125 means 2m minus 5 bracket cube is equal to 8m cube minus 60m square plus 150m minus 125. Just for your understanding, always you can write down here a means what? Here 2m in this question. B means 5. Second question 4 minus p bracket cube. Here a means 4 and b means p. Again same formula, a minus b bracket cube. A cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square minus b cube means p cube. 4 cube 64 minus 4 square 8. 8 multiply by 3 48 p plus 4 3s are 12 and this p square minus p cube means 4 minus p bracket cube is equal to 64 minus 48p plus 12p square minus p cube. Third question 7x minus 9y bracket cube. Here a means 7x and b means 9y. Same formula, a cube means 7x cube minus 3 a square b 7x square into 9y plus 3 ab square 3 a b square minus b cube means 9y cube. 7 cube 343 and x cube means 343 x cube minus, see here, 3 into 7x square. 7 square is 49 x into 9y plus 3 into 7x into 9 square is 81y square minus 9y cube. 9 cube is 729y cube. ये स्टेप मैंने आपके एक्सप्लेनेशन के लिए बढ़ाई है. 343 x cube as it is minus 3 into 49 into 9 multiplication is 1323 x square y. यहाँ पे 7x square था ना, then 49 x square. This x square y plus 3 into 7 into 81. Multiplication is 1701 x y square as it is minus last term 729 y cube as it is. Now next question, 58 cube. Here how to write 58? 60 minus 2 bracket cube. Here a means what? 60 and b means 2. Again same formula, a cube 60 cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square minus b cube 60 cube. 6 cube is 260. क्यूब में अगर 1 0 है तो हमें कितने 0 देने पड़ते हैं? 3 3 0 1 0 है तो 3 0 देने हैं 1 2 3. दिस इज 6 क्यूब माइनस 3 इंटू 60 स्क्वायर 3 6 0 0 इंटू 2 प्लस 3 into 60 into 2 square is 4 minus 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 216,000 minus 3 into 3600 multiplied by 2 means their multiplication is 21600 plus 3 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 4. Their multiplication is 720 minus 8. And the final answer is 195,112. 1,95,112. Now next question. Next is 198 cube. How to write 198? 200 minus 2. 200 minus 2 bracket cube. Here a means 200 and b means 2. Same formula, a minus b bracket cube. What is the formula? A cube means 200 cube minus 3 a square 200 square into 2 plus 3 ab square 200 into 2 square minus b cube means 2 cube 200 cube. See 2 cube is 8. अगर 2 0 है 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 कितना आता है? 6 मीन्स इसके ऊपर 6 0 देने पड़ेंगे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros माइनस 3 इंटू 200 स्क्वायर 2 square is 4 1 2 3 4 means 1 2 3 4 into 2 plus 3 into 200 into 2 square is 4 minus 2 cube 8. First term as it is minus 3 multiplied by 40,000 multiplied by 2. Their multiplication is 2,40,000 plus 3 multiplied by 200 multiplied by 4. Their multiplication is 2,400 minus 8. And the final answer is 77,62,392. Next question. 2p minus 1 upon 2p bracket cube. Here a means 2p and b means 1 upon 2p. Same formula, a minus b bracket cube. A cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square minus b cube is 1 upon 2p cube. 2p cube, 2 cube is 8, 8p cube minus, see, 3 into 2p square means this 2p term 2 times, 2p into 2p into 1 upon 2p. I am writing this just for your understanding. Plus 3 into 2p to 1 upon 2p square means 1 upon 2p 2 times, 1 upon 2p into 1 upon 2p minus 1 upon 2p cube, 1 cube is 1 and 2p cube is 8p cube. Here 8p cube as it is. Now here 2p cancel. Means what is remaining? 3 2 ja 6. 6p into 1 6p means minus 6p plus here 2p cancel means 3 into 1 3 upon 2p plus 3 upon 2p minus 1 upon 8p cube, this term as it is 8p क्यूब. ये स्टेप मैंने सिर्फ आपके एक्सप्लेनेशन के लिए बढ़ाई है, इसके बाद आप डायरेक्टली ये भी आंसर लिख सकते हो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 1 minus 1 upon a bracket cube. Here a means 1 and b means 1 upon a. Same formula, a minus b bracket cube. A cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square minus b cube means 1 upon a cube. 1 cube is 1 minus 1 cube is 1 means 3 multiplied by 1 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 upon this a as it is plus 3 ones are 3. Here 1 square is 1 means 3 ones are 3 upon a square minus 1 cube is 1 upon a cube means 1 minus 3 upon a plus 3 upon a square minus 1 upon a cube. Next question, x upon 3 minus 3 upon x bracket cube. Here a means x upon 3 and b means 3 upon x. Same formula, a minus b bracket cube, a cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 a b square minus b cube x upon 3 cube, x cube upon 3 cube is 27 minus 3 x upon 3 square means x upon 3 2 times x upon 3 3 upon x as it is 3 upon x plus 3 x upon 3 3 upon x bracket square means this 3 upon x how many times 2 times 3 upon x into 3 upon x plus minus 3 upon x cube 3 cube means 27 upon x cube, this first term as it is x cube upon 27. Now see here x 3 3 again 3 3 cancel means what is remaining only here x is remaining, minus x plus, see here also, x 3 3 cancel, 3 3s are 9 upon x plus 9 upon x minus 27 upon x cube as it is, 27 upon x cube. ये स्टेप आपके अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए मैंने बढ़ाई है. इसके बाद आप डायरेक्टली ये आंसर लिख सकते हो. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, सिंप्लीफाई. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 2a plus b bracket cube minus 2a minus b bracket cube. Here you can use both the formula a plus b bracket cube and a minus b bracket cube. First, a plus b bracket cube formula. For here, a means what? 2a. I am writing here a. This is b. This is a and this is b. What is our formula? A cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube. ये फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट का है ना, यू कैन मेक अ वन स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट माइनस सेकेंड 2a minus b bracket cube, same terms but sign only change. 2a cube plus a cube minus a cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square minus b cube. 2a cube 8a cube plus 2 square is 4. 4 multiplied by 3. 4 3s are 12. A square b. A square b. A square b plus 3 2s are 6. A b square. 6 a b square plus b cube plus b cube minus, I'm writing here minus sign, second bracket, solve the second bracket, same 8a cube minus 12 a square b plus 6 ab square minus b cube. First bracket as it is. First bracket as it is. See 2ab same है, only minus and plus sign is there. First bracket as it is. Plus 6 ab square plus b cube minus sign is there, means inside this bracket sign will change, minus 8a cube plus 12 a square b minus 6 ab square प्लस बी क्यूब. माइनस साइन है तो ये जो ब्रैकेट है उसके सारे साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे. अगर माइनस है प्लस है तो माइनस, माइनस है तो प्लस, माइनस है तो प्लस, प्लस है तो माइनस. अगर प्लस है तो माइनस हो जाएंगे, अगर माइनस है तो प्लस हो जाएंगे. नाउ हियर प्लस 8a क्यूब माइनस 8a क्यूब कैंसल, प्लस 6ab स्क्वायर माइनस 6ab स्क्वायर कैंसल, 12 plus 12 24 a square b plus b cube, nothing is there means 1 b cube square plus 1 b cube cube 2 b cube, means your answer is 24 a square b plus 2 b cube. Now question number 2, 3r minus 2k bracket cube plus 3r plus 2k bracket cube. A, B, A, B. Here first you can use A minus B bracket cube formula. A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube, first bracket, plus second bracket. Here you can use A plus B bracket cube formula. A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. Now solve the bracket. 3R cube means 27 R cube minus 3R cube. 3 cube is 9. 9 into 3 into 2. Multiplication is 54 R square K. 54 R square K plus 3 into 3 into 2 square is 4. Means 3 into 3 into 4. Multiplication is 36 R K square minus 2K cube means 8K cube 8K cube plus second bracket, same terms only here sign will be changed. सारे साइन कौन सा आएंगे? पॉजिटिव साइंस. 27 R cube plus 54 R square K plus 36 R K square plus 8 here 8K cube first bracket as it is 27 R cube minus 54 R square K plus 36 R K square minus 8K cube प्लस साइन है तो सेकेंड ब्रैकेट एज इट इज रहेगा. नो साइन चेंज विल बी देयर. 27 R क्यूब प्लस 54 R स्क्वायर K plus 36 R K square plus 8K cube. Now here plus minus cancel. 27 plus 27 plus 27 54 R cube plus 36 plus 36 72 R K square. This is your answer. Now next question. 4A minus 3 bracket cube plus 4A plus C bracket cube. 4A means A, 3 means B. A, B. First you can use A minus B bracket cube formula. A cube minus 3 A square B plus 3 AB square plus minus B cube 3 cube minus second bracket. Here you can use A plus B bracket cube formula. A cube plus 3 A square B plus 3 AB square plus B cube. 4A cube. 4A cube means 4 cube is 64. A cube minus 3 into 16 into 3. 4 square is 16 means 3 into 16 into 3. Multiplication is 144 a square plus 3 into 4 into 3 square is 9 means 3 into 4 into 9. Multiplication is 108 and this a minus 3 cube. 3 cube is 27 minus sign सेकेंड ब्रैकेट एज इट इज सब साइन के आएंगे यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव 64 ए क्यूब प्लस 144 ए स्क्वायर प्लस 108 ए प्लस 27 64 ए क्यूब फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट एज इट इज माइनस 144 ए स्क्वायर प्लस 108 ए माइनस 27 माइनस साइन है तो वो सेकेंड ब्रैकेट के सारे साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे मीन्स यहाँ पे प्लस 64 है तो माइनस 64 ए क्यूब हो जाएगा प्लस 144 ए स्क्वायर है तो माइनस 144 ए स्क्वायर हो जाएगा माइनस 100 प्लस 108 है तो माइनस 108 ए हो जाएगा प्लस 27 है तो माइनस 27 हो जाएगा नाउ हियर प्लस 64 ए क्यूब माइनस 64 ए क्यूब कैंसल प्लस 108 ए माइनस 108 ए कैंसिल माइनस माइनस क्या करते हैं हम माइनस माइनस एडिशन करते हैं और माइनस का साइन देते हैं मीन्स 144 प्लस 144 एडिशन इज 288 ए स्क्वायर एंड गिव द माइनस साइन हियर ऑल्सो माइनस माइनस do the addition and give the minus sign 27 plus 27 54 means your answer is minus 288 a square minus 54 and last question from this practice set 5x minus 7y bracket cube plus 5x plus 7y bracket cube ये a है ये b है ये a है ये b है now first you can use the formula a minus b bracket cube formula a cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square minus b cube first bracket minus plus second bracket as it is सब a plus b bracket क्यूब है मतलब सारे साइन कौन से आएंगे पॉजिटिव a क्यूब प्लस 3 a स्क्वायर b प्लस 3 a b स्क्वायर प्लस b क्यूब 5x क्यूब 125x क्यूब minus 3 into 5 square 25 into 7 means 3 into 25 into 7 multiplication is 525 x square y plus 3 into 5 into 7 square means 49 3 into 5 into 49 multiplication is 735 x y square minus 7 cube is 343 and y cube plus second bracket multiplication means 5 cube 125 x cube plus सी सारे नंबर्स वही आ जाएंगे सिर्फ साइन कौन सा आएगा पॉजिटिव 525 एक्स स्क्वायर वाई प्लस 735 एक्स वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 343 वाई क्यूब नाउ हियर सी प्लस साइन है तो साइन में कुछ चेंज नहीं होता है अगर क्वेश्चन नंबर हमने फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड में देखा बीच में माइनस साइन था इसलिए अंदर के साइन चेंज हो गए थे. हियर -525x² y एंड +25x² y, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. लास्ट टर्म इज ऑल्सो कैंसिल. 125 + 125 addition is 250 x³ plus 375 plus 735 plus 735 addition is 1470 xy square. I hope you understood all the questions. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more the videos.